India is unlikely to experience an increase in COVID-19 cases. An analysis by Project Jivan Raksha stated a 72% drop in non-government insurance claims for coronavirus treatment and decline in hospitalizations were reported during the festive season in October. Mysore Sanjeev, convener of the initiative, explained. India reported 8,488 new coronavirus cases on Monday, the lowest in 538 days. Incessant rainfall in Bengaluru has damaged genetic samples dating back to 25 years at the Jawaharlal Nehru Centre for Advanced Scientific Research. While rainwater inundated the premises of the centre, sewage water also flowed into the laboratories. Built in 1989, the centre is a multidisciplinary research institute founded by the Union Government's Department of Science and Technology. Railways on Monday withdrew the saffron sadhu-like outfit of the servers of the Ramayan Express train, which was protested by seers of Ujjain who had threatened to stop the train. It shared pictures of the new outfit, which comprises shirts, pants, and a head cover, and said inconvenience caused is regretted. Seers earlier said the saffron outfit insulted Hinduism. Chief Justice of India N.V. Ramana said the modern education system tends to focus only on the utilitarian function of education. Such a system is not equipped to deal with the moral or spiritual function of education, which builds the character of our students, he added. He further said, education must elevate your character and broaden your thinking. 2 patients died due to presence of Aspergillus lentulus, a pathogen that causes invasive aspergillosis with high mortality rates, officials at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Delhi, have confirmed. The 2 patients, one in his late 50s and another in his early 40s, were suffering from chronic obstructive pulmonary disease or COPD, a lung disease that makes it difficult to breathe. Brazilian model Cris Galera, who had married herself in September this year, is divorcing herself after 90 days, saying that she started to believe in love after she met someone else special. The 31-year-old model had married herself after declaring that she was tired of relying on men. "I was happy while it lasted," said Galera about marrying herself. FIFA has revealed the candidates shortlisted for the Best FIFA Men's Player 2021 award, the winners of which will be revealed at an online ceremony on January 17, 2022 next year. The nominees include Karim Benzema, Kevin De Bruyne, Cristiano Ronaldo, Erling Haaland, Jorginho, N'Golo Kante, Robert Lewandowski, Kylian Mbappe, Lionel Messi, Neymar, and Mohamed Salah.